Have you ever stood at the top of a super tall skyscraper, looked out the window, and wondered why you don't feel like you're on a ship swaying in the middle of a storm? I mean, these buildings are hundreds of meters tall, constantly being pushed by powerful winds, so how do they stay so incredibly still? It's a fascinating question, and the answer is a brilliant mix of engineering and physics. First off, all tall buildings do sway, they're designed to. If they were completely rigid, like a giant steel rod stuck in the ground, the force of the wind could cause them to snap. Flexibility is key. Think of it like a bamboo stalk in the wind. It bends but doesn't break. Architects and engineers design skyscrapers to have a certain amount of give, allowing them to move safely with the wind. But if they move, why don't we feel it? This is where the magic happens. To counteract this swaying motion and keep occupants comfortable, engineers use incredible devices called dampers. One of the most common types is a tuned mass damper. Imagine a giant, heavy pendulum, often weighing hundreds of tons, suspended near the top of the building. This massive weight is specially tuned to the building's natural frequency of swaying. When the wind pushes the building in one direction, the pendulum swings in the opposite direction, effectively canceling out the movement. It acts like a giant shock absorber, absorbing the wind's energy and dissipating it. A famous example is the Taipei 101 Tower, which has a massive 660-ton golden sphere hanging right in the middle of its upper floors for everyone to see. Another clever technique involves using water. Large tanks of water, called slosh dampers, can also be placed at the top of a building. When the building sways, the water sloshes back and forth inside the tanks. This sloshing motion is timed to oppose the building's sway, which helps to stabilize it. It's a similar principle to the tuned mass damper, but uses the movement of liquid instead of a solid pendulum. So the next time you're in a skyscraper, remember that it's not just a static structure. Thanks to these amazing engineering solutions like tuned mass dampers and slosh tanks, we can enjoy those breathtaking views without getting seasick. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing engineering stories. See you next time.